Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send your cryptocurrency from the Revolut app or Revolut X app to an external wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut X app, you will be on your default homepage. So from here you would need to select which cryptocurrency you would like to send to an external wallet. So let's say that I want to send over this Solana to my Phantom wallet. I would just tap on the cryptocurrency that I want to transfer, and then on this cryptocurrency specific page you would just need to tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, just like this, and then just go ahead and tap on send right here. From there you would just need to paste over the recipient's wallet address, so you can just go to your wallet and just copy paste the address. Now if you're sending Solana, just be sure that that's the actual Solana address, so for the Solana blockchain, and the same goes for every other cryptocurrency. You would just need to make sure that you have the exact blockchain address. Now once you have your address, just go ahead and paste it right here, and once you paste it you would be able to select it. Now for this example I will just select one of my existing already pasted wallets, which is this Phantom one right here. Now here you will be able to see also your history, if you have any history with this wallet, and then you just need to tap on send, and then just input the amount of Solana that you would like to send, or any other cryptocurrency from your account that you would like to send to that external wallet. So let's say I will switch it to euros and then just write €1, and then I will just tap on review transfer, and on the next screen confirm this transfer. So essentially guys, that's how you can send cryptocurrency from your Revolut X account to an external wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.